Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that is sure to captivate all car enthusiasts out there. Introducing the 2024 Byd Tang EV electric car, the latest addition to the ever-evolving world of electric vehicles. In this video, we'll explore the cutting-edge features, impressive performance, and futuristic design that make this vehicle a game-changer in the electric car industry. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty details of the Byd Tang EV, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. Design and exterior. Certainly, let's delve deeper into the exterior design of the 2024 Byd Tang EV. The exterior design of the 2024 Byd Tang EV represents a harmonious fusion of futuristic aesthetics and contemporary sophistication. Every curve and contour of the vehicle has been meticulously crafted to not only captivate the eye but also optimize aerodynamic efficiency. At the forefront of its design, the Tang EV boasts a striking front grille that exudes confidence and presence on the road. The bold grille serves as a signature element, accentuating the vehicle's electric prowess while commanding attention from onlookers. Complementing the grille are the sleek LED headlights, which illuminate the path ahead with unparalleled clarity and precision. These headlights not only enhance visibility during nighttime driving but also contribute to the Tang EV's distinct visual identity. Interior and comfort. As the camera pans across the interior of the 2024 Byd Tang EV, it reveals a multitude of features designed to elevate the driving experience to new heights. The panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere that enhances the sense of space and freedom. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or cruising along scenic highways, the panoramic view adds a touch of luxury to every journey. But the Tang EV doesn't just offer a captivating view, it also prioritizes safety and convenience with its advanced driver assistance systems. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, this cutting-edge technologies work seamlessly to help you stay focused and alert on the road. With sensors and cameras strategically placed throughout the vehicle, the Tang EV provides 360-degree protection, giving you peace of mind no matter where your adventures take you. Inside the cabin, attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the design. Soft touch materials, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls create an inviting environment that caters to both driver and passengers alike. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, while thoughtful storage solutions ensure that everything you need is within arm's reach. Intelligent features, convenience, and user-friendliness lie at the heart of the Tang EV's interior technology. Its focal point is a futuristic touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrating entertainment, navigation, and vehicle controls. Equipped with voice recognition and compatibility with popular smartphone platforms, staying connected has never been simpler. Moreover, the Tang EV supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring you always enjoy the latest enhancements and features without needing to visit a dealership. But the intelligence of the Tang EV extends far beyond entertainment. Its advanced driver assistance system is a testament to engineering marvel. Utilizing cutting-edge sensors and cameras, it furnishes a suite of safety features that redefine peace of mind on the road. From lane keeping assistance and adaptive cruise control to automatic emergency braking, the Tang EV guarantees a secure and pleasurable driving experience. This electrifying powerhouse transcends the realm of automobiles. It symbolizes a pioneering stride towards a sustainable and eco-friendly future. With its intelligent features, remarkable performance, and unwavering commitment to safety, the Tang EV stands as a revolutionary vehicle poised to redefine the automotive landscape. Performance and electric drive. At the heart of the 2024 Byd Tang EV lies a revolutionary electric drive system that redefines the concept of performance in the automotive industry. Leveraging advanced BYD technologies, this all-electric SUV offers not only impressive acceleration but also a truly exhilarating driving experience that sets it apart from conventional vehicles. Central to its exceptional performance is a state-of-the-art battery pack seamlessly integrated into the chassis. This integration ensures optimal weight distribution and enhances the vehicle's stability, resulting in a smooth and responsive ride across various driving conditions. The Tang EV's impressive range is a testament to its advanced battery technology, making it a versatile companion for both urban commutes and adventurous journeys alike. Propelling the Tang EV forward is a powerful electric motor that delivers instantaneous torque, allowing you to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blink of an eye. The seamless delivery of power not only provides an exhilarating driving experience, but also reinforces the vehicle's responsiveness and agility on the road. Price and availability. Now, let's address the burning question on everyone's mind: the price and availability of this extraordinary machine. The 2024 Byd Tang EV comes with a price tag of approximately €69,990. While the exact pricing details may vary by region, This figure positions the Tang EV as remarkably competitive considering its groundbreaking technology, performance, and luxurious features. It represents an unmatched value proposition in the ever-growing electric vehicle market. Furthermore, let's delve into the environmental impact, a key consideration for many car enthusiasts turning to electric vehicles. The Byd Tang EV embodies more than just performance and luxury. It stands as a statement of sustainability. With zero tailpipe emissions, the Tang EV contributes to the reduction of greenhouse gases, fostering a cleaner environment for future generations. BYD's commitment to sustainable mobility is evident through their battery recycling program, ensuring that even after the life cycle of your battery, it is disposed of responsibly. This holistic approach underscores BYD's dedication to environmental stewardship and underscores the Tang EV as a forward-thinking choice for eco-conscious drivers. The breathtaking design. Moving on to the design, the 2024 Byd Tang EV is a true sight to behold. Its sleek and aerodynamic contours serve not only to captivate the eye but also to optimize the car's overall efficiency. At the forefront, the car boasts a bold front grille complemented by futuristic LED headlights, ensuring exceptional visibility even during the darkest of nights. The inclusion of stylish alloy wheels further enhances its allure, while the sweeping lines that adorn its exterior contribute to the Tang EV's overall sporty and dynamic appearance. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, every curve and angle of the Tang EV's design has been meticulously crafted to reduce drag and enhance aerodynamic performance. This thoughtful approach not only elevates its visual impact but also improves its efficiency, allowing for a smoother and more streamlined driving experience. In essence, the design of the 2024 Byd Tang EV embodies a perfect harmony between form and function, setting new standards for electric vehicle aesthetics and performance alike. State-of-the-art technology. Prepare to be amazed by the cutting-edge technology inside the 2024 Byd Tang EV. Its spacious and high-tech interior offers a truly immersive driving experience. At the heart of it all lies a large, high-resolution touchscreen display seamlessly integrated into the futuristic dashboard. This interface provides intuitive control over the car's various functions, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly experience for drivers and passengers alike. Moreover, the Byd Tang EV comes equipped with advanced connectivity features, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone through platforms like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This integration enables easy access to your favorite apps, music, and navigation tools, enhancing both convenience and entertainment on the road. With its state-of-the-art technology, the 2024 Byd Tang EV sets a new standard for electric vehicles, offering not just sustainable transportation but a truly modern driving experience that's as exhilarating as it is efficient. Conclusion. In summary, the 2024 Byd Tang EV epitomizes the evolution of electric vehicles, seamlessly blending breathtaking design, blistering performance, advanced technology, and a steadfast commitment to a sustainable future. Every aspect of this car, from its aesthetics to its driving dynamics, has been meticulously crafted to prove that transitioning to electric doesn't necessitate compromising on style or driving experience. The Tang EV heralds the promise of an electrifying future, one that is not only within reach but also poised to revolutionize the automotive industry as we currently understand it. That wraps up our exploration of the 2024 Byd Tang EV. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey. If you found this video enjoyable and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more remarkable automotive content. Until next time, keep dreaming of a greener and more electrifying future.